Sir, gumitan na kita. Tindahan yun. Walang sa ano-ano. Ito gamitin. Ano gamitin? Manalo, sarap gamitin. Guys, Tom TV at ngayong araw to, meron naman tayong panibagong product guys. Thank you very much kay BQLO sa padala ng bagong product na to at atin pong i-unbox ulit guys. So mabilis lang to, samahan nyo ako guys. So yun na nga guys, nandito na po ang ating bagong Sandata W Mark NG-2020 guys. So makikita natin dito, excellent craftsmanship aluminum alloy based stainless steel cover, 440C stainless steel blade, and then quick charge 3 to 4 hours, about 240 minutes of use, at meron siyang 2,500 mAh. Ito yung storage guys ng kanyang battery. Powerful motor, rotary motor, constant power output, and then cord or cordless. So pwedeng gamitin siya guys ng naka-cord habang nag-charge, and then kung hindi, syempre mas okay kung hindi. Ayun lang para sa akin. Then mag-open na tayo guys. At i-open natin guys. Look at that guys. So, tingnan nyo naman guys yung tatak niyan, W Mark. Diba guys? So, open na guys. Wala na up. Yeah. And then, nice. Meron pa siyang sama nito. At ang ating instruction manual guys. Yan guys. So, model NG-2020B. So, this is a gold type guys. And then we have here charger. The charger guys we have here, and then we have the brush, and then the clipper oil, and then meron tayo guys dito yung limit comb, diba guys? So meron tayong apat dito guys, and then the A, this is 1.5 mm guys. So this is 0.5. The next, the number 1, the 3 mm, and then the next is 4.5 mm. So this is 1.5. And then the number 2, 6 mm. This is the limit comb guys. Apat na makasama. And then pupunta na tayo guys dito sa pinaka-clipper natin guys. Tingnan nyo naman. Ang ganda naman oh. Nakakasilaw yung pagka-gold niya. Yayamanin ang dating guys. So NG-2020 guys. And then syempre, punta tayo dito sa kanyang blade. So this is a tapered blade. And then the mark guys oh. W Mark, diba? Tapered siya guys. Yung alignment, diba? So, nice. Kaganda naman ito. So, check na natin guys. So, this is the LCD monitor. Para malaman yung digital na ano niya. So, check natin guys. Open na natin kung malakas ba yung makina niya at yung ingay ng motor niya. Nice. Kaganda. So, this is 99. Nice. Oh. Kaganda naman. Hindi siya ganun kaingay guys, at I think it's ayos talaga kasi hindi siya ganun kaingay. And then the lever medyo matigas pa, syempre hindi naman ngayon palang gagamitin guys eh. Diba? Ayos. So maglalagay tayo guys dyan ng yellow basket. I-click nyo lang guys para kung saan kayo makakabili, diba guys? So syempre ito-test natin kung talagang tatalabas siya at matalas ba yung talim niya. So, babalik ako kayo guys. Babak!